Good morning, everybody. It's March 1st. So I'm actually gonna wash my hair. This video is in partnership with Kerastase because I'm sure you guys have seen me talk about this many times or used Kerastase products when I had my blonde hair. I used their whole Blonde Absolute line and I absolutely love all their products. Right now, since my hair is not blonde anymore, I don't really need the Blonde Absolute products, although I still have highlighted hair. But my hair, my scalp, literally everything, my whole body is dry because it's just so dry here in California. So my scalp just really needs that extra love and care. So I'm gonna use Kerastase's new Symbiose line. It's literally for your scalp. Anyone that experiences dandruff and just an irritated, dry scalp, this will be great for you. All right, so here's the whole Symbiose line. It's a 5-piece line. So first off, I have the scalp scrub. If you're not familiar with how to use scalp scrubs, use the scalp scrub first before anything, even before you shampoo and conditioner. This one is so soothing. I like to leave it on like a little bit longer and you just get such a cooling sensation, almost like a menthol feeling, and it's just so nice. So this removes any buildup, it purifies your scalp without stripping it. These are all dermatologist tested, by the way, and it just removes the dead skin cells. All right, next I have the shampoo. Obviously use it as you would any shampoo. Again, this one's gonna be gentle, but just super hydrating and moisturizing. This whole line is just going to hydrate and moisturize. It's also sulfate free and everything is formulated with pyrithione zinc and salicylic acid. All right, next we have the conditioner. I love this conditioner because it is super lightweight. It doesn't weigh your hair down. I already have a lot of heavy hair, so this is nice. All right, next we have the mask. I can't even tell you guys how much I love this mask. This one's more intense. Use this about once or twice a week. So I like to leave this on a little bit longer. I put it on and then I do like my face wash and my body wash. And once you rinse this stuff out, your hair will feel like literal baby hair. It's gonna be so soft. So this one's gonna give you deep hydration. It's gonna give you 2 times more shine. It's gonna strengthen, it's luxurious, and it's rich. It also has squalane to give you that added moisture. Lastly, we have the serum. It's a super thin, watery serum, so it's not gonna make your hair oily or anything like that. It's a great thing to use at night, so you can really recharge your hair and your scalp. It's gonna make it soft and shiny. This is safe to use every day if you want to. It also has salicylic acid, which is the ingredient that's really just gonna help with your dandruff. All right, I'm gonna show you guys my scalp. There is definitely a buildup, whether it's from product or just oils. Back here is where I get a lot of dryness as well. So let's go and wash this hair and scalp. All right, so I am done with my like hair wash routine. You guys saw me put on that serum. So that's it for that Symbiose portion. Just wanted to share because it has literally helped me with my scalp. And I really hate that like dandruff, itchy, dry feeling. So it's nice to have something to help with that. So thank you, Kerastase, for partnering up with me for that portion of the video. So now I'm gonna go into my blow dry routine. I have this new short hair that's also darkened. I still have some highlights in it, or lowlights, I don't even know. Anyway, so things are a little bit different and I just have been loving wearing my hair almost like an old school bob. So always before blow drying, I use some type of product that acts as a, heat protectant. So I'm actually using, I still use this because I love it so much. This is the Blonde Absolute Cica-Plasme Acid Hyaluronic Edelweiss. Basically, it's like a leave-in and a heat protectant. So I just do a couple doses of that. I've gone through so many bottles of this. So even though I don't have blonde in my hair, I still do have those highlights. But this also like really just helps keep my hair, since I am putting heat, not so dried out. Okay, so I'm actually gonna try something different. I've been wearing my hair straight, so I'm actually gonna try to add a little bend to it using this brush. Just like a simple blow dry. You know how I usually do it with my long hair, but now just trying to like make it subtle with my short hair. See how it turns out. I can always kind of like re-blow dry and fix it a little bit later, but I've been wanting to try a different hairstyle, so let's do it. So I think like the key for me, the wrist technique that I use is basically you hold the brush like this and you just twirl it like this. So when you have your hair, you grab it and all I'm doing is twirling the brush. I just want to help you guys like simplify it, you know? So just grab it, the hair is gonna stick and you work your way down though as you twist. So you just twist. And then eventually you'll get to learn how to do like the harder twist that I do. So that's just like a normal twist that I do where you just go like that. And then I have another one where I go twist and then I do the big twist. I twist under like that, almost like I'm drawing a circle with the front of the brush. So if you want to know or learn that, then it's like go down the hair, twist like I showed you, and then draw a big circle. And then let go. If you guys can practice that at home, then you'll be pros. Okay, so this is what it looks like with the way I blow dried it. So I don't really want the ends to be too like curled, so I'm gonna take my flat iron and just kind of go through the ends. All right, so I'm just like taking the little pieces that I feel like are too curly at the ends, and I'm just kind of going through them a little bit. And I was thinking about curling my hair just with the flat iron, but I didn't really want, I don't know, sometimes, you know, tools can be very like, I don't know what the word is, almost crimped. And I didn't want it to be too like crimped. I still kind of wanted to have that like fresh blowout type of look. And this is exactly kind of what I'm going for. Like the softest, littlest bend you could imagine. Basically just like this. That's it. Now, and I feel like if I used a flat iron to do this look, it would be like too much, you know what I mean? Like more definition than I actually want. So a good blowout and then flat iron at the end kind of is the trick for me. Okay, that's it. Added some product into my hair and I'm good to go. If you guys are interested in any of the products I used in this video, be sure to check out the description box. It will all be on there. Okay, so I wanted to show you guys some of the new additions we got to our home. After a year of not having a dining table and the whole dining table debacle, which some of you guys may know about, like we literally ordered our dining table and it was like, you know, we knew we had to wait. And then it just kept getting delayed and delayed and delayed, and that's just like the story of my life with my whole like home remodel. Sorry, I keep touching my hair. Anyway, when my table finally arrived, it was damaged. So then I had to reorder a new dining table. And when I went to reorder a new dining table, they said it's now discontinued. So now I had to reorder a completely new dining table. Obviously I wanted something similar, so this was the most similar one that I found. So finally today they delivered it and it got delivered and it's all set up. I even set up my little bar cart. I'm also changing out, like, you know, we have some cabinets, like some open cabinets. I don't know how to call it. Like, it's cabinets, it's shelving that has a door, but it's glass, so you can see through it, which I wish we didn't have that, so then I wouldn't have to fill it with things that look nice, but I'm trying to redo it. And for me, it's like the hardest part because I honestly like don't want to bother with it. Like, I just want to hire someone to style it for me, but I just decided to take on that myself. So let's go see what it all looks like. So this is our dining table. Finally came in, so it looks complete. We just need artwork over there. And then I finally dressed up this bar cart. I didn't want it too busy, but this is what it's looking like right now. I feel like it's looking empty on this side, so I might have to move some of that little stuff up there. Hi, Press! Say hi. Let's show them your cute little hair. Wow, so cute. Are you eating dinner? Can you blow a kiss? Eat? Okay. Here's our little shelving that I was talking about that I was replacing. Just some, you know, stuff. And that. Still incomplete at the top, so I need to fill the gaps. So now this is what our entrance is looking like. Going all to different places, different planets. Watch your aura pass me by. Alright guys, I am gonna go take a shower. You guys know I always shower like twice a day, in the morning to like just feel refreshed, and at night to just basically like wash the day away. That's what I always like to call it. And because I don't know, there's always just something about, sorry, I'm gonna be really annoying with touching my hair. I just gotta get used to the new way I did it today. Okay, I'm gonna stop after I fix this part. Okay, yeah, I like to wash the day away because I feel like no matter what you go through, you go in, you take a shower, it's almost like you're just like washing away whatever bad stuff that happened, even the good stuff. You're just basically washing whatever the day had away. You know, you can just like relax after that, decompress fully, I feel like, and sleep better. Anyway, I'm gonna stop this little hair and vlog here because my brain's pretty fried. Anyway, thank you guys for watching and hope to see you soon.